Today we are going to learn how to submit and upload your Dropbox activities that are due in your MyITLab CAPS courses. So you're going to sign in to your MyITLab, and once you sign in, this should be the view that you have. So I am in the grades view. It's a lot easier to work with. And as you can see, you have your data files and everything you need in here. I'm in the 141 Word Level 1 class, so I'm going to click on that. And like I said at the beginning, we're going to learn how to submit these finished documents so that they can be graded in MyITLab. So you have Project 1A and Project 1B. They're the very first two projects that you will do in each chapter for MyITLab to grade, and they're the only two activities that are out of the book. So you will work out of the book and you will finish your document, and hopefully you have that done. And what you do when you're done is you save it to wherever you save your files, and you will go in and you will click Browse. You will choose your document, your finished document. So I clicked the Browse button and I located my file. I selected the file and then I clicked Open, and it brought my file to right here. The next two steps, they're super important. You will always need to click the Add button because you want your file to be in this box right here. So I'm going to click Add. There we go. You see that it's right here. Also, if you have another file, say that I had two files that went with this one document that need to be graded. What I would do is I would go back into Browse. It's just the same process. And I will find the document I need to upload, the second one. And you can see that it's right here. You will also click Add. So it's the same step over and over. You just continually have to browse, add, whatever. So if I didn't really need this one, I'm going to click on that and I'm going to remove it. And the file's removed. So this last step, this is the one that's most important. If you want the grade for the work you've done, you want to submit for grading and you want to click the Finish button. I have forgotten to do that, so I feel that this step is super important. You need to make sure your file's in here. Obviously it is. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to click Finish Submit for Grading. Then you have to finish the whole process again with the Finish button. So my file was uploaded successfully. It also shows you the file that you uploaded right here, Clark Amber 1A Flyer, and files uploaded successfully. Again, when these words are right here, that's how you know that you have successfully submitted your document and it is going to be scored. Now, to return to course, you can return to course, and you can see the screen, it updated, and I got 100 for that. Now, if you want to view your submissions, because you get two attempts at uploading this. So, you can see the one I just did is pending. And I have turned in quite a few for this video. But, you have 2 attempts. And even though they say past due, it really doesn't matter. It's at the discretion of your instructor. So now that we have the 1A and 1B Dropbox activities, let's go down to the final Dropbox activity, because there's 3 Dropbox activities in each chapter in CAPS. So you'll go down to 141 Project 1J Dropbox, and it says See Document Sharing. So what that means is you need to go to document sharing before you even can start this assignment, you need to go and find 141 Project 1J Dropbox. Make sure that you're in your CAPS class, not 142. You need to be 141. So you'll click that open. What you're going to do is you're going to open this file, because these are the directions you need to complete this assignment. And let me scroll through here and show you. As you can see, you're going to need the following data file, Word 1J softball. And then you're going to save it as your last name, first name, and then the file name. You're going to read through. These are the instructions that you need to complete this Dropbox activity. So there you go. Here's the scorecard. This is the points that you receive for the task that you need to do. As you can see, you get 1 point just for saving your name. So make sure you go through here, and I check mine off. I check mine off right here. I just check it off as I go along, check it off. And, then when I get down here at the bottom, as long as everything's checked off, I know I've completed this. So when you're done with this assignment, you're going to save it to wherever you save your files at. And you'll close that. You'll go back in to whatever view you use. I use grades. It's a lot easier to maneuver. I go back into my CAPS 141. And I'm going to go down to the Project 1J Dropbox. So by now you're completed that 1J and it's saved. And you are going to open it. It's the same steps as we completed in 1A. So as you can see, you click the document sharing button and you see the screen in the navigation bar, and you will locate the sheet for each end of chapter Dropbox activity. This sheet contains the instructions and scorecard. That's the steps we just used and went through. So once your project is complete, upload the completed assignment file or files by following the instruction below. So the instructions are very self-explanatory. You're going to click Browse. You are going to go to wherever you saved your document. We're just going to use the flyer document again. And here you go. It's right here again. You're going to want to add that. And it takes a minute. And there you see it's added. And this time we don't need to. And maybe I want to remove that. No, I think we'll keep that one. So I think we're good. We're going to finish and submit for grading. Finish. So it says your file is uploaded successfully, and it shows you what you uploaded. Now, that's the same steps that we went through for Dropbox Activity 1A. The only difference is you will be going into document sharing to get your instructions for this activity. And you're back to your view, and it'll show you. You can go in here. You can view your submissions just like every other one. So you have this pending. I hope this video has helped, and thank you for watching.